This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another lithium play here. As you follow my channel, you know I'm totally into lithium, anything EV related, EV picks and shovels, if you will. This is RCKTF. Ticker is RCKTF. And as you can see, this one trades over the counter. So you won't be able to get this one on Robinhood. I always recommend Fidelity first. If you can't get it there, check TD Ameritrade. But back to RCKTF Lithium. If you don't know what they are, it's a mineral exploration company focused on the lithium industry, based in Vancouver and listed on the TSX Venture Exchange in Frankfurt. The company's international board of directors provides a truly global presence. Feel free to go over the rest of the information there. The Georgia Lake project consists of approximately 80 leases and approximately 20 claims covering approximately 4,590 hectares. The project is located in an area underlain by meta sediments and metavolcanics of Archean age. And so like I said, this one is in Vancouver, Canada. Here you can kind of see what it's done over the last year. Could have got into it 40 cents last summer, and December is where it kind of started shooting up, and 544, and just been trading kind of flat since then. Here's what it's done over the last month, just kind of up and down. Over the last week, kind of up and down, basically trading kind of flat, upward a little bit. And here's what it's done today. So not a whole lot of movement in this one, but it's a lithium play, so eventually it's got to go up at some point. That's how I look at it. This is just another look at it on NASDAQ. Today's low and high of 372 to 361, so a little bit of not much volatility in there. Yahoo Finance shows it basically as a neutral. Didn't find a whole lot of information on this one. I got a couple articles here. RCKTF expects purified lithium hydroxide samples next month. This is just dated a couple days ago, on the 22nd. I believe that was last Thursday. Development for its Georgia Lake and converter projects. Phase 1 plant at ALS, fully operational. And here it kind of goes over the update on the market progress of Phase 1 pilot plant and engineering development for its Georgia Lake and converter projects. And feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. So basically it announced the test work program has been ongoing since December 2020. The laboratories was appointed to complete a bench scale test work program under the management by Wave International, and on its way to produce battery grade lithium hydroxide from a range of spodumene sources. The test work program for the conventional sulfation route has progressed from the unit process of calcination, acid roast, water leach, and impurity removal. The crystallization on the 3 different samples. Crude lithium hydroxide crystallization is currently processed, and a final purified lithium hydroxide sample is anticipated in May. The work informed the Phase 1 pilot underway at ALS and will inform an upcoming Stage 2 pilot, as well as providing engineering data for ongoing engineering development. Here's figure 1 of the Glauber salt precipitation test. And this kind of goes over a little bit about the lithium hydroxide monohydrate bulk sample and the Georgia Lake Lithium Project. Moving on, RCKTF files revised technical report on SADAR, and further to previous news releases on November 4th, December 10, and December 18, 2020, the company has filed revised technical report on SADAR. The technical report titled Preliminary Economic Assignment for the Integrated Lithium Hydroxide Operation, and has an effective date of March 15, 2021. And this kind of goes over a little bit more information about RCKTF, the technical reports. Feel free to pause the video and go over that information there for yourself. For further information, you can contact RCKTF Lithium Incorporated. There's a phone number, email. RCKTF engages Enzilla plan for Stage 2 pilot plant, and this is just dated today. RCKTF Lithium is pleased to announce that it has engaged Enzilla plan for further pilot plant test work. The Phase 2 pilot plant will provide additional lithium hydroxide monohydrate customer samples while proving the flowsheet converting spodumene concentrate into LHM following the industry standard sulfate route, the feed material for the Phase 2 pilot. And again, this is just some further information about the engaging of the further pilot plant test work. This goes over a little bit more about Enzilla plan. It's a leading European industrial and specialty minerals producer with more than a century of experience in industrial and specialty minerals processing, delivering high-quality materials, purified products, and refined additives to a wide range of industries, including the chemical independent entity within the Dorfner group of companies. Provides a one-stop shop solution across all phases of the process development and economic evaluation. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Kind of some of the same information as last article. Over here to Reddit, not a whole lot of information here on Reddit. Undervalued lithium 3 months ago. So, like I said, somebody left this one in the comments since I've covered so many lithium companies. And this was left in the comments, but I just couldn't find a whole lot of information about this one. Currently at 367. Told by this one by my mate in Germany, haven't done my DD yet, but told they were going to be Tesla's first lithium supplier, Brandenburg, Berlin. This could be very lucrative. So if that is the case, that could be a lucrative deal. And plus it's 367, so I mean you could pick up 10-20 shares. It wouldn't cost you too much, so sometimes that's what I do, just pick up 10-20 shares and just kind of sit back and see what happens with it. So back to $5. But that's all that I really have on this one. Like I said, I couldn't find a whole lot of information about it, but just come across this in a new lithium company, so I kind of like to diversify and try a little bit of each one after I do my DD on it and see what happens. So if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and if you have any other lithium companies out there, go ahead and leave that in the comments as well. I've covered quite a few here on the channel, and I'll try to link those in the description as well. Again, this is Jay Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.